Never felt more like a dirty raccoon. Hi.
Merry Christmas!
Wait, really? As a friend, of course. Whitney, you don't mind, right? Oh, yeah. Hot guys don't get jealous like normals. You know, I might have something for you.
My funny show just ended on a sad note. What am I supposed to do now?
Thor, there's only 7 days till Christmas. We haven't even barely gotten through your dog vent calendar. Not to shame you, but you need a haircut, my dude. Okay, let's get things a little more festive. Thank you. Then let's find some food. Alright, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a little breakfast sandwich with some egg. And I got a little bit of cheese. Some, I don't know, I'm just trying to throw some vegetables into my life. A side of vegetables with a sandwich. Got some avocado. Sounds delicious. How do you want a sandwich?
I want a sandwich?
Yeah,
You got a sandwich?
like a breakfast sandwich.
Yeah, I want a sandwich.
It's me you're thinking of. No, baby, you can't escape my psycho love. When all else fails, I count all the times you said you loved me, and all the times you let me down. We'll get even somehow. We'll get by either day.
I think we should shuffle each other's decks.
Okay, go ahead. Shuffle it all you want. Easy.
I've never felt more like a dirty raccoon. Hi. I meant to take a little nap, so I was ready to be funny and attractive, and instead I just took a bigger nap, and now I don't think I can do it. Today, I pretty much just chilled. I think you've seen the morning. I played some Magic the Gathering. I played a game of Dota. I won them all. I'm crushing it today. Ideally, I will also win the game of life that I am about to experience, is what we're going for. I took the nap, set an alarm for 40 minutes. Was like, that's not real. I don't need that. Like 40 minutes I need to be walking out the door, because we're gonna go get some dinner with a bunch of my improv friends, and then we're gonna do an improv show. So I'm very excited. It's our Christmas improv show. And it's at a location that I haven't been at. My team has performed at this spot, but I wasn't able to make it because I was in Mexico. Yep, we gotta start getting it together. Okay.
Mamma mia!
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, they've seen me with my red hair, but not with makeup on. Just in
This
time
week,
for
a hot
Christmas.
new bombshell has entered the villa.
This week, a hot new bombshell has entered the villa. Go, Jesus.
It also looks like she.
When he texted, I can't make
really
it
gotta
tonight,
get
break a leg.
He told us
We have 6 people.
was he
Becca, how are you?
Oh.
She's doing great. She don't give a shit. Put it on me. Put it on me. Thank you. Oh my god, darling. You look nice.
I think it's cute, right?
Yeah, looks good with the hair.
It's time for Christmas. I'm on a date.
She's already ready to
We're drinking
go.
all day.
Yeah.
What's up, fuckwads? It's cold outside. It's fucking chilly. You know what that means? It's soup season.
And we are season critics. We criticize seasons. We write reviews about various seasons.
I don't know if you heard about a piece in the New York Times on autumn.
Next month we'll be doing cancer season.
As an astrology, not.
You know,
one day you wake up and you got your land legs, and the next morning it's 40 years later you got your sea legs.
You can't get rid of a sea legs.
And then you get emails from Deadliest Catch saying, hey, we want to film you. We want to make a documentary series about your life.
Can I suggest another piece?
Go ahead.
Beavers are the new dogs.
Are we talking about like a beaver, or are we talking about like a beaver?
Vaginas are the new dog.
So we've had soup for like 6 months. And I was at school today and somebody had a pizza. And I thought, oh, that's interesting.
Son, you're not complaining about mother shoes again, are you?
No, Father. Mother, what do you smell? You don't smell any. It's not ranch.
No son of mine is gonna be a pizza chef. Not while I'm still breathing.
Maybe you should stop breathing.
Naughty.
Mom's got an awesome nose.
Which lobster have you been to? I like that like really rusty one in the corner. Like when it's been there for a while. Like I feel like it's like really absorbed the juices.
Yeah.
Look at that bitch's bangs. Dude, don't lash out because she called you rusty. Dude. Don't do it. I bet you're better than humans. You know what?
I'm gonna get that red-headed lobster out of water, and I'm gonna hear the scream. Sometimes they talk about how you can't quite tell the difference between the scream and just the screech, but I think it's gonna be a scream.
Okay, cut my pants. I'm gonna claw her eyes out. Cut my pants. Yeah!
Lobsters, but they have feelings.
They do have you heard of
site like this, people are linking to this. We don't want to put actual pictures of vaginas up and figure out which French fry you are. Yes.
I've been to Europe and sex does sell. So.
What does that have?
She's been to Europe, dude.
Yeah.
I think
She's probably
she
the most credible.
Yeah. I am
She's been to
cultured because
Europe?
I've been to Europe, the whole place.
Have you been to Europe?
Europe.
Have you been to the Europe?
The Europe?
I have been to a country in Europe, yeah.
Better question, have you seen a vagina?
Yeah.
When everyone's here, I had an idea for a new article.
I love it.
Okay, oh shit. What Harry Potter house is your penis in?
Oh, yes!
It's a children's book! No!
I have never wanted anything more in my entire goddamn life.
You have
If you do not cut this fringe straight across in the most neurotic post-breakup way, I will leave a vigorous Yelp review.
So I understand your last hairdresser would not give you bangs.
He looked at me and said, hey, I feel like you need to go to therapy, not a hairdresser.
You may or may not know me. I'm from a very big newspaper. I just wanted.
Don't give her any trouble, pal.
I just wanted to know, where did you?
Don't even think about saying another sentence out of your goddamn mouth.
This biscuit. It's the best biscuit I've ever eaten.
He likes the biscuit.
He likes the biscuit.
I've never heard of this place before.
The well-known beloved, go ahead. What was saying? I didn't want to interrupt you.
Are you even really from New York?
Are you really from New York?
Yeah, people have been known to get fired because of that.
Why is the picture of LPS also with Nicki Minaj?
Because...
For the middle, Cali coast too high. Baby reppin' my city, I do the most big dog. All up in the back with the Jolo stance. We big steppin', baby, watch me do this dance. Face on the left side, know that that's my best side. Step into that west side for Roosevelt dreaming.